HTC prides itself on building strong customer relationships. How do you do it?
So I wish that was something that was as easy as just checking some boxes, but it really is something that's been established through our process over the time we've been in business. It starts out with your initial consultation or your initial call in to our customer service rep, where she's going to be listening and asking questions to try to understand your project, to get a full understanding of what you're trying to accomplish. At our first meeting, we're going to have an in-depth conversation about what your goals are for the project, and then we're going to align those out with our design team so that we're really hitting home on the things that you're trying to accomplish. And so having established goals and then having somebody who's listening to you and understanding what your point of view is and not just telling you what we think is an important part of that development of that relationship. Once we get into production, a lot of it is just really communicating the process, communicating the expectations, and then sticking to and following through on those. And then, of course, the warranty is another big piece. Like, we are with our customers well after the standard 1-year warranty for our projects. We really do look at our customers as customers for life. If you have any more questions on that, please contact us at our website, htcbuild.com.